warmly welcome you to Darling Urdu Channel. This channel is dedicated to teaching Urdu and also includes other topics related to Urdu language such as Pahar. You know Pahar, Dopahar, Sapar and so on. This is Re, Re, Ze and Je. Je. So, and you can see the basic structure of re, ze, je. Basic structure is the same. Basic structures of all these four letters look alike. Twe and these dots make the difference among these four letters. And my dear student, the lectures we have in Urdu are also available in English. This helps you improve both your languages, Urdu and English skills at the same time. So it means this lecture is also available in Urdu. So let's start with the first letter of today's video. This is a Re. You can see this is a Re. Re. And let me show a picture. You can draw the shape of Re with the help of your fingers and your thumb of your hand. Bend these fingers and thumb in this way, in this direction, at this angle. The shape of this of your hand look like a Re. You can see it resembles a Re. And another picture is that this red chili also looks like a Re. It also resembles a Re. I am showing you these pictures so that you can understand and memorize the shape of Re well. Now, and next letter is Re. As I said earlier, the basic structure is the same. So this is Re, and place a Twe on it. Now it becomes Re. Re is hard sound, little bit hard sound, and Re is little bit soft sound. So this is Re, Re. Now next letter is Z. The basic structure you can see is the same like Re, and put a dot above it. Now it becomes Z, 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 Z. And next letter is J, J. Now basic structure is the same. This is Re, and place 3 dots in this way above this Re. Now it becomes J, J, J. So I hope you got the point. Now students, that's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning about the letters Re, Re, Z and J. Please keep practicing. Practice makes a man perfect. So see you in next video. Thank you very much.